Hi guys, my name is Opeyemi and I am a PhD student with a background in forest science. I will call myself a researcher, and so this segment is born out of the need to demystify research for students and help students when it comes to picking the right topic and making us as students and researchers better inquirers, better researchers. That's what this is all about. And so today's segment of the demystifying research is on how to choose the right research topic. Firstly, we the definition of research topic is the area of focus that you want to conduct your research around. It's very important to choose the right topic as students. Do you know why? Because choosing the right topic will keep you motivated. We all need something to keep pushing us. So you need to ask yourself, why am I picking this topic? Is it something that I'm genuinely interested in working on? This is going to save you a lot of hassles down the road, because definitely in research you will face a lot of things, and once you have that interest, it's going to keep pushing you and moving you forward. It's important to bear in mind that your topic must solve a problem. Don't just go around and just pick one random topic that you just think you're interested in, and it's not solving a problem, it's not answering any innovative question in that your area of study. Then what's the need of carrying out that research? Your topic should be something meaningful that is directed towards solving a problem. Oftentimes you see that students pick something that is too broad or maybe too narrow, or something that they don't even have interest in, and this kind of affects them. And that's why I'm saying today that it's important to pick something that you have an interest in, and something that is not so broad or so narrow. You need to ask yourself, what interests you? What are you curious about? For instance, I might say, oh, I'm interested in, as a forestry person, I say, oh, I'm interested in forest policy and governance. So now, that's a broad topic, forest policy and governance. What aspect of forest policy and governance interests me? I need to, narrow it down from that. And how do I do this? Do a review of existing literature. You have so many databases there. You have Scopus, you have Visto, you have Web of Science, you have a lot. Go and do your research. When you do a review of existing literature, it helps you to explore what research has already been done in that your topic of interest. Yes, so when you read a lot of literatures, you identify the research gaps, then you would be able to say, okay, now this is what I want to focus on. This is where I want to contribute something new to this study. You need to refine your topics based on the gap. You just don't choose a topic. It doesn't end there. It's important to know that you can keep adjusting your topic, because the more you read, the more insight findings you make, then the more you can modify your topic. After you've done all this, you need to ask yourself, is this topic academically worth it? Does it respond to a social need? Is it socially worthwhile? You know, does it make sense? Does it make sense? It doesn't stop at you. After this, you can now go ahead to consult your supervisor, consult your lecturers, your peers, and ask them what they think about the topic, and seek for their feedback. Their feedback will determine if you stop at that or go ahead. And it's very important to always seek feedback. And it's also very important to know that it's okay to keep adjusting your topic. It's okay to keep adjusting your topic even as you continue your research. Hope this information that I've shared with you helps you next time you want to pick a research topic. Make sure that your research topic is not so broad or so narrow. Ensure that it is targeted at solving a problem. And how can you do this? By consulting literatures to identify the research gaps, the conflicts in various studies, the new discoveries that you have made after consulting literature. Then seek feedback. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you find this useful, and you can send it to other people who might be interested. Thank you once more. Bye for now.